Ever wondered about the most enchanting places to visit in Dubai? This city of marvels effortlessly marries traditional culture with modern innovation, captivating the world with its grandeur. One of Dubai's crowning jewels is none other than the Burj Khalifa. Standing proudly as the tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa is a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. A journey to its summit reveals a breathtaking panorama of the city, a sight that truly encapsulates the essence of Dubai. Then there's the Dubai Mall, a shopper's paradise and one of the largest shopping malls globally. But it's more than just a retail haven. The mall houses a plethora of attractions, including a mesmerizing aquarium and a vibrant skating rink, making it an ideal destination for a day of fun-filled exploration. From touching the sky at Burj Khalifa to diving into shopping and fun at Dubai Mall, Dubai is just starting to unfold its treasures. Ready for more of Dubai's captivating attractions? Our journey now takes us to two more stunning locales that showcase the city's cultural richness and unabashed luxury. First, we find ourselves at the Dubai Opera, a beacon of culture set in the heart of the city. This 2,000-seat multi-format performing arts center is a testament to Dubai's commitment to the arts. Here, the world's finest operas, ballets, and theatrical performances come to life, offering a cultural feast for the senses. Next, we set sail for Palm Jumeirah, an iconic man-made island that epitomizes Dubai's luxury. Here, high-end hotels and restaurants rub shoulders with private beaches, offering a taste of the good life that's unmatched anywhere else. The island is a playground for the world's elite, a paradise where luxury knows no bounds. Whether you choose to immerse in culture at Dubai Opera or bask in luxury at Palm Jumeirah, Dubai continues to amaze. Think you've seen all of Dubai? Think again. There's always more to uncover in this city that ceaselessly redefines luxury and innovation. Nestled in the city's heart is the Dubai Miracle Garden, the world's largest natural flower garden. It's not just a garden, it's a symphony of colors, scents, and sensations that leave you breathless. The vibrant blooms spread across 72,000 square meters create a spectacle that's akin to stepping into a fairy tale. But Dubai's not just about the urban glam. It's also about the rugged allure of the desert. The Dubai Desert Safari offers an exciting journey into the heart of the Arabian Desert. It's an adventure that gives you a taste of the authentic Bedouin experience, from thrilling dune bashing to serene camel rides under the starlit sky. From wandering in the mesmerizing Miracle Garden to embarking on an unforgettable desert safari, Dubai promises experiences like no other.